This game-changing secret won't be available forever. So tune in now and unlock the key to effortless manifestation before it's too late. Imagine waking up tomorrow with the life you've always craved. That dream job, that soulmate, that overflowing bank account. It can all be yours, and I'm showing you exactly how. Calling all manifestation misfits and frustrated wishmakers, this one's for you. Segment 1. Understanding. Manifestation. Manifestation, the art of bringing desires into reality through focused intention, is often perceived as an elusive skill that only a select few master. However, the truth is that anyone can become part of the 1% who effortlessly manifest their dreams. Drawing on my experiences and insights from delving into the world of manifestation, I have come to realize that a significant aspect of success in this realm lies in a subtle yet profound shift in perspective. It is not about complex rituals or elaborate techniques, but rather a transformation in the way one views their desires and the world around them. The key to becoming a master manifester lies in understanding the power of the mind and its ability to shape reality. Often individuals focus on the external factors that may hinder their progress, creating a barrier between themselves and their desires. However, by acknowledging the influence of one's thoughts and beliefs, a transformative shift occurs. This shift involves recognizing that the external world is a reflection of one's internal state. Therefore, to manifest effortlessly, it is crucial to align thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with the desired outcomes. Moreover, consistency and clarity play pivotal roles in the manifestation process. Consistent positive thoughts and emotions create a harmonious vibration that attracts similar energy from the universe. Being clear about what one truly wants allows the manifestation process to unfold seamlessly. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance and gratitude, acknowledging that the universe is ready to provide what is genuinely desired. In essence, mastering manifestation is about cultivating an empowered mindset, aligning internal energies, and maintaining unwavering clarity and consistency in thought. Segment 2. The misinterpretation of advice. In the world of self-improvement and personal development, affirmations and visualizations have become popular tools for manifesting desires. However, the effectiveness of these practices often hinges on a fundamental understanding that is frequently overlooked. Many individuals inadvertently misinterpret the essence of manifestation, treating it as a rigorous and effortful process rather than an organic alignment of energies. The key lies in embracing the mindset that manifestation is not about striving to attain a desire, but rather about embodying the belief that the desire is already yours. By adopting this subtle yet powerful shift in perspective, one can elevate their manifestation game and join the ranks of those who effortlessly bring their desires into reality. It's about understanding that the universe responds to the energy you emit, and if you exude the certainty that your desire is already within your grasp, the universe conspires to make it a reality. The act of manifesting is not a struggle, but a harmonious dance between intention and belief. It involves cultivating a deep sense of gratitude for what is to come, as if it has already manifested in your life. To truly harness the potential of manifestation, it's crucial to scrutinize and discern the advice available. Often, the misinterpretation of this concept leads individuals down a path of futile effort, rather than empowering them to effortlessly attract their desires. By honing in on the core philosophy that manifestation is about being in alignment with what you seek, one can navigate through the noise of misconceptions and tap into the transformative power of manifestation with clarity and intention. So let go of the struggle, embrace the certainty, and watch as your desires unfold seamlessly in your life. Segment 3. The essence of visualization and affirmations. Neville Goddard, a prominent figure of manifestation and metaphysics, offers a unique perspective that deviates from the conventional approaches often associated with achieving one's desires. His teachings underline the importance of possessing your desire in the present moment rather than mechanically employing techniques without genuine connection. According to Goddard, the power lies not in the repetition of methods, but in the internalization of your desires through visualization and affirmations. The crux of Neville Goddard's philosophy is encapsulated in the idea that manifestation is not a matter of attempting to attract something from the external world, but rather claiming it as if it is already yours. Visualization, in this context, is not an exercise in wishful thinking, but a tool to experience and embody your desires in the present reality. Affirmations serve as a verbal affirmation of the reality you are creating within your mind. It's a paradigm shift from the traditional belief that one has to strive to manifest. Instead, it's about recognizing the inherent power within and asserting your dominion over your own reality. When you internalize this fundamental concept, the process of manifestation becomes a natural and straightforward endeavor. The external reality, often referred to as the 3D reality, is seen as a mere reflection of what has already transpired within the depths of your mind's eye. The understanding is that you shape your external circumstances by first molding your internal world. Neville Goddard's teachings thus invite individuals to explore the profound connection between the mind and the external reality, offering a transformative approach to manifestation that goes beyond mere techniques and taps into the essence of claiming one's desires in the present moment. Segment 4. The role of repetition. The practice of repeating affirmations or engaging in visualizations stems from a deeper understanding of the power of the mind and its role in shaping one's reality. It goes beyond a mere counteraction of negative thoughts. Rather, it serves as a constant reminder of the innate potential and capability that individuals possess to manifest their desires. Repetition is a key element in this process, not as a means to acquire something one lacks, but as a technique to reinforce the belief that the desired outcome is already within reach. When individuals engage in affirmations, they are essentially affirming the existence of their aspirations in their current reality. It's a cognitive exercise that bridges the gap between the present moment and the envisioned future. Visualizations, on the other hand, provide a vivid mental representation of one's goals and dreams, creating a powerful connection between the mind and the desired outcome. The act of repeatedly affirming or visualizing is akin to planting seeds in the fertile soil of the subconscious, nurturing the belief that the desired reality is not only possible, but also inevitable. The essence lies in the understanding that manifestation is not about conjuring something out of thin air. Rather, it is a realization that the power to bring about change and achieve goals already resides within the individual. If one can vividly picture their desires in their mind's eye, they have, in a sense, already initiated the process of manifestation. Affirmations and visualizations, when practiced consistently, serve as tools to align one's thoughts, emotions, and actions with the envisioned reality, creating a harmonious and receptive mental state for the manifestation to unfold. Segment 5. Enjoying the manifestation process. Shifting one's perspective on the practice of affirmation or repetitive techniques can open up a new dimension to the manifestation process. Rather than mechanically affirming desires 24/7 or engaging in endless repetitions, it's beneficial to immerse oneself in the imaginative exploration of the scenes depicting the fulfillment of those desires. This mental exercise involves not only acknowledging the desires but actively experiencing and enjoying them in the mind's eye. By doing so, individuals can create a vivid mental landscape where their aspirations come to life. In this altered approach, the key lies in looping various scenes that represent the attainment of one's desires, whether they involve relationships, career milestones, or personal achievements. Despite the potential dissonance with the current 3D reality, this imaginative process serves as a powerful tool for rewiring the mind and reinforcing positive beliefs. Instead of fixating solely on the external circumstances, this technique encourages individuals to dwell in the subjective experience of already possessing their desires. It fosters a sense of emotional connection to the envisioned scenes, creating a resonance that can eventually translate into tangible manifestations. The effectiveness of this method lies in the ability to maintain focus and emotional engagement with the desired outcomes. By consistently revisiting and savoring these mental scenes, individuals can gradually shift their subconscious beliefs, aligning them with the envisioned reality. This approach transcends mere repetition by infusing the manifestation journey with a sense of joy, anticipation, and gratitude. In essence, it encourages a dynamic relationship with the desired outcomes, making the process not just a routine, but a deeply immersive and transformative experience. I hope this video has changed your perspective on manifestation. If it did, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more golden nuggets like this one. Happy manifesting, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.